Morning, my dear students. Today we are going to start the next chapter, chapter 2, exponents. Exponent or index or power. Like if we are multiplying 2 4 times, it will give us 2 raised to the power 4, where we can define 2 is the base and 4 is the power. So how we can define the exponential notation? It is the representation or notation for expressing the product of an integer with itself several times, like 2 raised to the power 4, 3 raised to the power 5, 4 raised to the power 2, etc. Now, exponential notation of rational numbers. As we know that p by q is a rational number, and if we take n is a positive integer, then p by q whole raised to the power n can be defined as, we can separate the powers on numerator and denominator. That is equals to p raised to the power n over q raised to the power n. For example, if we have 2 by 3 whole raised to the power 3, so we can write it as 2 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which is equals to 8 by 27. Next is the reciprocal with negative integral exponents. Reciprocal of any number x raised to the power m is represented as x raised to the power minus m. So if we want to find out the reciprocal of any number whose power is m, we can write it as in the terms of minus of the power, or which we can write it as equals to 1 by x raised to the power m. So what is the reciprocal of a rational number? If we have p by q raised to the power m, we can write it as either p by q whole raised to the power minus m or q by p whole raised to the power m. We can take the reciprocal of the p by q and it will give us q by p whole raised to the power m. Now, what is the reciprocal of x raised to the power minus m? If we have already a number whose power is in negative, then its reciprocal is in positive power. So, x raised to the power minus m, the reciprocal is x raised to the power m. For example, we have taken 1 by 3 whole raised to the power minus 3. So, its reciprocal is 1 by 3 raised to the power plus 3. So, 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3. Its reciprocal is 3 by 4 raised to the power minus 3. So, we can convert the negative power into plus by interchanging the 3 by 4 to 4 by 3. So, we will get 4 raised to the power 3 divided by 3 raised to the power 3, which is equals to 64 by 20. Now, let's start the exercise. Second A. So, very first we have to evaluate 3 by 5 raised to the power 3. So, we have to multiply 3 times divided by 5 3 times. So, it will give us 27 by 125. Minus 3 by 2 whole cube gives us minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 2 into 2 into 2, which gives us minus 27 by 8. Question number 2. Express the following as powers of rational numbers. We have to write down in the powers of a rational number. So, very first it is given as minus 27 by 125. Minus 27 can be written as minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3, and 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5, which can be written as minus 3 raised to the power 3 divided by 5 raised to the power 3, and which is equals to minus 3 by 5 whole raised to the power 3. So, here we have rational number as minus 3 by 5. Next we have 25 by 36, which can be written as 5 by 6 whole square. 81 by 64, which can be written as 9 by 8 whole square. Similarly, we can do the rest of the parts. Next, in question number 3, we have write down the reciprocals with their powers. We have to write down their reciprocals with their powers. So, very first we have 3 raised to the power 2. 3 raised to the power 2, its reciprocal is 1 by 3 raised to the power 2. Minus 7 by 8 whole raised to the power 6, its reciprocal can be written as minus 7 by 8 whole raised to the power minus 6, as plus 6 can be changed into minus 6. So, by converting the minus to plus, we have to take the reciprocal of minus 7 by 8, which gives us minus 8 by 7 whole raised to the power 6. Next we have 8 by 9 whole raised to the power minus 3. So, its reciprocal, we have to convert the sign of minus to plus. So, it gives us 8 by 9 whole raised to the power 3. So, similarly, Do the rest of the parts. Now in question number 4, we have evaluate the value of the reciprocal as a rational number. We have to write down in the rational number. So we have minus 2 by 5 whole square. So its reciprocal is plus 2. We have to convert it into minus 2. Its reciprocal is minus 2 by 5 whole raised to the power minus 2. And now converting the minus into plus, we have to take the reciprocal of minus 2 by 5, which is 5 by minus 2. So minus square is plus. As we know, the power is even. If the power is even, then the negative sign gives us in result in positive. And if the power is odd, then the negative sign gives the result in negative. So similarly, we have f part minus 3 by 4 whole raised to the power minus 3. So convert the minus into plus. Its reciprocal is minus 3 by 4 whole raised to the power 3, which is equals to minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 divided by 4 into 4 into 4, which is equals to minus 27 by 64. Now question number 5. We have to simplify the term. It is given as 3 by 4 whole raised to the power minus 4 divided by 5 by 4 whole raised to the power minus 3. First, we are converting the negative powers to plus by interchanging the numerator and denominator. So we have 4 by 3 whole raised to the power 4 and 4 by 5 whole raised to the power 3. Now next we have to convert the division sign into multiplication. When we convert the division sign into multiplication, we again have to change the numerator and denominator. So multiply 5 by 4 whole raised to the power 3. Now open the powers. 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 divided by 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 multiply 5 divided by 4 into 4 into 4. We cancel 4s and we will get 5 into 5 into 5 into 4 divided by 4 times 3. So 500 by 81. In the B part, we have 6 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 2 divided by 7 raised to the power minus 2. Very first, convert the negative powers into plus. So we will get 1 by 6 into 1 by 3 into 3. Now convert the division sign into multiplication sign. It will automatically change the negative sign into plus, negative power into plus. So multiply 7 square. So it will give us 49 by 54. Hope you all understand the concept and do the rest of the parts by yourself. Good luck, students.